What's up, Sun Clan? It's your girl Radiance, and welcome back to my channel, Chasing SunRaee. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my free crochet tutorials. I know it's been a long time, y'all. I know, and I miss you all so much, but I want to jump right into this skill building tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. As the video says, we're going to be doing the basic mesh stitch today. So all you're gonna need is a ball of yarn, your hook, and some scissors. We're gonna start off with the slip knot. It really doesn't matter what size hook or size yarn you use. This is like just a regular stitch, basic stitch. So yeah, your chain needs to start with the odd number. Like, it could be a big number or a small number. It really doesn't matter, just as long as the number is odd. You can do this stitch with any stitch, but we're gonna do double crochet. So yeah, so you're gonna start by placing your first double crochet in the third chain from your hook. Chain up one, skip the next chain, and you're just gonna place a double crochet in that next chain. Our chain up, our chain two, does not count as a stitch in this pattern. So you just chain another one, skip the next chain at the bottom, and double crochet in the next chain. You're just gonna do that all the way down. Super simple, you guys. It's basically, the pattern is just double crochet, chain one, skip the stitch, double crochet. That is it. Super easy. We all know how to do, well, I'm not gonna say we all know how to do, but it's super easy. If you don't know how to do it, you know how to do it now. But the hard thing about this is trying to increase and decrease, which is what we're basically building up to with this little skill build. Here we are. The last chain, place your double crochet in it. It should look something like this. Super easy. Super easy. Next, we're just going to chain up two for our turning chain. Again, our turning chain does not count as a stitch. You could make it count as a stitch with this, but I personally don't like to, but you can. So yeah, you just place a double crochet in that very first double crochet, chain, skip that chain, and double crochet right into the next double crochet, chain up, double crochet in the next double crochet, and you just continue working that all the way down. And that's really literally all you do for a double crochet mesh stitch. Again, you can use any stitch. You could use a single crochet to make a single crochet mesh stitch. You could do a half double, you could do a treble. The same technique applies to each different stitch. A lot of times though, people like to use double crochet for mesh, but it all depends on what look you're going for. That's all you do for that. So yeah, here we are coming up on that very last double crochet. Your work should look something like this. So next, we're just going to repeat row two. So chain up two, turn your work, double crochet in that very first double crochet, chain one, double crochet in the very next double crochet, chain one, double crochet in the next one, and so on and so on. Y'all get it. The mesh stitch is basically just a row two, repeat it until you get the length that you want. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Click the link in the right hand corner to learn how to increase the stitch. Click the link in the left corner to learn how to decrease it. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of skill building tutorial you guys would like to see next. There's a link in the description box to my Facebook crochet support group, the Chasing SunRaee Sun Clan. And as always, you guys, happy crocheting and stay sunny.